Oh boy, it's happy fun time with Bob again. Alright. Tried to explain to some people about the shower and how it works, what I did. They look at me like I'm fucking retarded or something. So, alright. Gonna walk through this as quick as possible. Try not to bore the shit out of everybody. So here we go. Get you some water. Dump them in the bucket. Maybe 2 gallons. 2 gallons works good for me. Alright. So, water. Alright. Cool. Hang up, just shower rod, whatever you want to call it. Cool. Friggin' hammer time. Bucket of water there, yeah. Just, okay, so there's a pond pump in there. I forgot to explain this. Pond pump connects to Mr. Inverter here. Turn on the inverter. Friggin' wire goes back in here. Don't worry about getting electrocuted because it's not gonna happen. Alright, so you take Mr. Shower here, you know, just flick them on. I got a little lever here. You can turn them on and off, you know, save water and junk, you know, think green. Alright, screw that. Let it sit in there. Let it sit on. There's water all over my phone. Alright, so take Mr. Bucket. Mr. Bucket goes up on the bunk. No big deal. Alright, cool. Still running. Make sure that the pump, the water, I got it at an angle. You want to get as much water as you can, okay? Shower time. Alright. Drain hole. Friggin' in the floor. Stick them in the hole. Alright. So you stick Mr. Thing in the hole. God. Start setting this junk up. Yep, this is happening. Alright, care to join me? Oh boy, we're in the shower. You are taking a shower with me. And I can say that there's going to be many of people taking a shower with me. Whatever. Alright, cool. Shower set up. A lot of room in here, okay? I mean, not exactly a big dude, but there's a lot of room in my shower, okay? So, grab friggin', alright, where's that tube at? Hold on. So, you make sure you turn it off before you take it out of there in case you got like some electronics on, you know, whatever. Take it, drape it over the bar. Drape it over the bar. Hook everything back up. Turn the shower on. Take a shower. All said and done. Alright, so now that you're done taking a shower, you take Mr. Shower head here, stuff it back in the bucket. Go get your towel. Come out of the shower here. Towel. Dry yourself off. You need to be dry. And then take the shower. You know, your bucket's still chilling up there. If you got any excess water, you tilt this bad boy up. They can drain out the rest of the hole there that goes out the bottom of the truck. Take the rest of the shower down. Put it away. Dry it off, whatever. Holds up quite nicely. Fold it up. Throw it back up there. Done. Take your bucket, put it home. Bucket goes home. No water. You wipe the shower out a little bit, you know, with like, I don't know, your old stank ass shirt that you were wearing, or your towel, and basically you're done. And then you're nice and clean. You don't smell like some dirty ass trucker.